Zucchini in oil is a typical Italian preserve. Let's make it together. In a pot, place the bay leaves, garlic, chili pepper, and cloves. Add the pepper mix. Top with the white wine vinegar and white wine. Wash and pick the zucchini, then cut them into sticks. Dip them into the previously prepared mix. Cook for 4 minutes from the boiling point. Add the coarse salt. Drain and place on a cloth to dry. Put the zucchini in a sterilized jar. Also, add a few bay leaves and some peppercorns. Cover with extra virgin olive oil. Press with a fork to remove air bubbles and seal with the lid. You can consume them after 1 month. Enjoy your meal and keep cooking with Cookaround.